Welcome to Uncomplicated.
Bicycles and riding a bike have always been a part of my life.
I've been on many cycling holidays, whether with friends or on my own.
And one of the most beautiful methods of transportation when you are in an unknown place.
I'm always up for a good adventure. Ride with me and see what I get up to today. I haven't really checked out what the weather is this morning, but the sun has just come out and it's warmer than I thought. I saw there's another nature reserve, river, something. I'll tell you when I get there. After that I have the choice to go either to Queenborough, where my train ticket goes from, or I can cycle back to Sittingbourne, where I would have to change trains anyway. So yeah, I'll see how it goes. Got 6 hours to play with. Let's get going. So I think what I'm going to be doing is nature reserve hopping basically today. And I'm not sure how I'm going to top the cows from yesterday. But yeah, this is a small one here. There's a couple of little things. I think there's a lake somewhere. And as I go further down and get to the coast again, there'll be more nature reserves, differently named nature reserves. I have a feeling I will find a great lunch spot here. So I think the idea is I'm going that way first, because there's like a little peninsula you can go on, and then I'll double back and come back this way, because that's the way I need to go to get to Queenborough. I don't know what this is or what it was used for. Oh, hang on. Which basically means I have to ride around it now. Well, let's go. Proper exploring today. I don't expect to do many miles today, to be fair. That's not the aim anyway. Today the aim is just to see what's around. And it is kind of, I mean, there's a lot of industrial stuff happening around here. But you can also see some sailboats in the distance. And obviously with the low tide, that kind of looks so cool.
I think I'm just going to follow this path all the way along. I can see people on there, and then eventually it ends in this little peninsula where you can't go any further. So let's check it out.
There's no people anywhere. It's absolutely beautiful. I mean, this side there's a lot of industrial stuff going on, but on this side you can actually see, I don't know, other things like trees. I think I've gone as far as I can with the bike. However, there is a little bit of climbing and you're back on the trail. I'm just trying to figure out whether I can do this with the bike.
Sure. Yep, it's the little peninsula. Furthest I can go.
That was nice. Quite a popular spot, lots of people here, and there's car parks dotted around the place, so if you're here by car you can choose the place where you want to park and where you want to, how much you want to walk or how far you want to walk for. It's really interesting. It's this mixture between industrial and nature having taken over. Love it. Yep, the tide is definitely coming in now.
bay is basically a assortment of little islands. I'm now going on to the Isle of Sheppey again. I have to go via that same bridge because that's the only way to get on the Isle of Sheppey. So there's a road right next to me which I could take, but it keeps me closer to the coast and I can actually see what's going on from here. Very slow going, ambling speed today. I'm just following many country lanes now, hoping to get back to the Saxon shore path. I'm not too sure how accessible it is for the bike. Very rocky there, but I can see the shore again, so let's see how far I get on with that. Well, it's not labelled as a cycle path, but for the path on a bike it's a little tougher to go, but it should take me all the way around to nearly the bridge, which is over there, well in the distance now. Ooh, there it is. It's basically like riding along a really small dam. I guess, I mean, it makes sense that they have some sort of flood protection around here. And I guess they are protecting, because I can see the apples over there growing again and stuff. So they're protecting their crop. It's slow going and sure an adventure. So somehow I ended up in the woods, because I need to go that way, but it's full of horse pieces of land with like electric fence thingies around it, so I definitely can't go through there. So I'm trying to do the circumference of it now, but I ended up in the woods. Not entirely sure how I'm going to get through this, but I'm going to try. I think I can see a little bit of a path through there. The problem is all of these nettles and brambles here. I can get through it, but I'm going to change shoes. Funnily enough, I don't think I want to leave the camera here because I'm not going to do that twice. Right. There. Oh, there's a stream. Oh, I didn't see that. That's okay, I've got wellies on. Just need to go up as well. It's quite high up. Oh, there are people. Maybe I can get some help. Hi there. I just realised there's a fence as well.
There is.
Damn! I really need to be on that path. I've got wellies on, I'm sure.
Yeah,
Okie dokie. Alright then. Right.
And there's brambles as well.
Yeah, well, I've taken my trousers all the way down now for that reason. Oh, yep, you're not steady. All right, let me find something a bit more steady than that.
How on earth did you end up in there anyway?
I was going around the paddocks of the horses, thinking, well, there's got to be the path that leads to the Saxon shore trail or whatever it's called again.
along the seawall.
And it does, but it's just not the way I thought it was going to be. But yeah, woo! I'm in the water. Right, now I need to get it up. I will. That made a real splash. It's a super heavy bike because I've got the bags on it, but with the two of us we might be able to get it up. You got it, man, you got it, thank you. Thank you. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the bags up because I don't think I can lift it that high with the bags on. Bear with me. Can't believe it. Oh, but how lucky I am that you're here.
Hopefully it'll be a bit easier now we're here.
Yeah. Close that up. Right. This should be okay now. You've got that there, yeah?
Okay.
Perfect. I can just leave it anywhere now. I can just chuck my stuff over. Can you believe that? I made it though, thank you very much for your help.
Okay.
Thanks so much,
No
mate.
worries. Enjoy the rest of your journey.
I will, thank you.
Can you believe that just happened? I think I've had lunch now. It's gorgeous because I can see all the boats and it's quite nice here by the path. I've got cheese to share today. I haven't come across any shops yet because I was just on this path, but I have this wonderful red apple that I picked yesterday. It's somewhere between Adam and Eve and Snow White. It's because this could potentially be going wrong, as I was a thief and just stole the apple. But then again, wouldn't want them to go to waste if we have nobody to pick them. Cheers. Tangy. Quite sweet. It's a really good mixture. Bon appetit. I've got 3 hours to get to Queensborough for my train. I probably won't be making it to Sittingbourne at this speed because it's really rough terrain and I'm more ambling than anything else. Also took my rain jacket out now because it gets darker and darker, so it may just rain any minute now. Can I just say how happy I am to have these ankle wellies? They were only like 12 quid on Amazon, and if it starts raining my feet are dry. My feet are bone dry in there now, and I just went through the river. As I was looking for my jacket, I also realised that my cardigan that I was wearing very much early on in the day, I took off before I even set off, and so that was still at the Premier Inn in Rainham, and I must have left it on the railing there. I'm hoping somebody finds it and gives it a good new life because I quite like that cardigan. What I'm not going to do or have time to do is turn around and go to Rainham for a cardigan. That's just not going to happen.
actually going to see if I find a local food shop so I have some snacks for on the train, and then maybe check out the seaside, and then I'm off on the train. I made it to Queenborough. It took me a little less than an hour, and you can stand here, watch the sea and some boats, so it's not bad. So what I've learned about Queenborough so far is that there is a ton of pubs around here, and all of them are full of people. And then I found this little gem. So it's the parish church, which has the tower, like a little bit like a castle. But the really cool thing about this is they added a tin church extension. I mean, there have been many tin churches in England, not only in England, many places. Maybe there used to be a stone version of this, and then they might have gotten, I don't know, bombed in the war or whatever it may have been, and they didn't want to lose their extension or shut it off, and just added a tin extension instead. I took my visor off because I had a headache coming on, and usually that does the trick, but the headache hasn't gone, so now I'm taking the ponytail out, and then I'm going to attempt to brush it, which is hard if your ponytail has been swinging in the wind all day and it's now all tangled up. In order to do a very loose French braid to hopefully get rid of the headache. So I have about an hour left before I have to go to the station. Welcome to having a lot of hair, Melanie.
Until the world, I'm gonna sink down under the water. Until the world.
I'm going to be on a bike is freezing, so I'm thinking I'm going to go now, and it should take me about a bit over half an hour. Hopefully I'll be there in time. Wow, wish me luck. I am here. I made it to St Pancras. I've got to give it to London. There's some really good cycle paths. They're quite wide. They're by the side of the road, and some of them are even cordoned off, so you are really well safe. Camera battery died. Sorry, bad quality on this one, but still, just wanted to say I made it safely, even though I went slap bang through the middle of the town centre, the city centre, Chinatown, Trafalgar Square, Leicester Square. There's rickshaws now that are lit up and everything. It looks like Hong Kong. It's amazing. But I'm not really a city person, so I don't really feel too comfortable, especially not with a bike. I'm just going to jump on the train here. I'm now at St Pancras, which is my local train station, if you want that. I know this one well because that takes me back to Luton. It didn't take me all that long. It took me 20 minutes to get here, so actually pretty cool. And Google Maps, give it to Google Maps. I didn't have to check. She just told me where I need to go, and I went. Very happy. Quickly saying thank you all for watching. You know what to do. Subscribe and like. It'll help me out. It's a small channel, so eventually I might grow with your help. Who knows? Thanks so much, and see you on the next one, whether that be in the van or what. Looking forward to seeing you then. Good night.